Now let's look at the disassembly procedures. Before starting disassembly, put on a helmet, safety glasses, earplugs, safety gloves, and shoes. Before removing the turbocharger, cool the engine for about 4 hours after stopping operation. First, measure the exhaust flexible joint. Measure the installation size H and the displacement distance at a right angle to the shaft X at the 4 positions shown. Check that the measured values are almost identical to those shown on the record sheet and enter your values on the sheet. Remove the turbocharger from the engine. The cover is best removed too, to make it easier to remove the turbocharger. Remove the bolt at the exhaust inlet, the bolt at the exhaust outlet, and the installation foot bolt. In the case of the RH133, remove the blower casing set bolt. The joint bolts of the turbocharger and the exhaust output pipe should not be loosened yet. Install the lifting fixture and remove the turbocharger. Lift with care.